Unable to access a remote computer through remote desktop connection when using a Microsoft account. Description of the problem: I am not able to connect through remote desktop connection to access computer A from computer B. More specifically, when I am on computer B, I am not able to access computer A through remote desktop connection. I was asked to provide username and password, but I kept getting told via Windows security window. That said, your credentials did not work. Observation 1. I was able to access computer B from computer A. The other way around. Observation 2. The only difference, as I can tell, is that I used a Microsoft account to log in, locally and natively, on computer B, and used a username alone to log in on computer A. The usernames on the two computers, locally speaking, are computer A, desktop 30/username. Computer B, username @hotmail.com. Both computers are running Windows 10 Pro. Observation 3. I have made sure that there is no firewall between the two computers. They are connected through an Ethernet switch in my home network, connecting to the outside world through the home router. Question: what has been going wrong? Do I have to assign and use the same Microsoft account on computer A? I have made sure that the password has been correct all the times, but the problem is persistent. I cannot connect from computer B to computer A, yet I can connect from computer A to computer B. P.S. I has also asked the same question in the TechNet forum, yet I am not counting on it quite a lot. Ref URL. Additional information. The address for computer A and B. As I only have dynamic IP on both machines, I used no IP service. Thus, for the two computers, for example, address for computer A, computer.a.ddns.net, address for computer B, computerb.ddns.net. Additional experiments. Shutting down computer B. When I shut down computer B, using the address, computerb.ddns.net, to connect still gets me the same error message, as in the screenshot above. Getting a different IP for computer B. For the initial experiment, two computers are hosted in the same home network. Thus, the public IP for the two machines should be the same. To get computer B a different IP, I disconnect the machine from the home network and use the personal hotspot on my phone. This time, I get a new error message.
I had the same with a couple machines linked to Microsoft account /user from installation. Remembered my previous installs started with a local account and were later linked to my Microsoft account, and that worked fine. Decided to change my account so to sign in with a local account, tested RDP and that worked fine. Decided to relink my Microsoft account. Tested again, and it was still working without issues. Not sure exactly what causes the issue, but it seems that creating a local account fixes the behavior, likely reg keys or PEDIT settings not correctly configured with the Microsoft account. Further to the above, I believe, from later found articles, that if the user signs in with the Microsoft's account password at least once rather than the PIN, the issue may also be fixed. Have confirmed this as the best fix. This URL. At Terence Egola, hope you don't mind me quoting you below. For a clean install of Windows 11, which by default sets up Windows Hello, go to Settings and GT, Accounts and GT, Sign-in options and turn off for improved security. Only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device, recommended. This will allow you to sign in with your password, after which RDC will work. It also appears that once you use your password you can turn the option back on.
On my remote machine I have two accounts. I have a local administrator account and I have the Microsoft account as a standard user. To resync the password, log on with the local administrator account. I open the command prompt on the PC I wanted to be connected and type or replacing my account with the actual account name of the Microsoft account. If you recently changed your password, try with the old one. If it hasn't been synced, it'll work. This will force the machine to resync the password, so when you get prompted you can type the most recent password. As from that point on, RDP will recognize your new password. I also tried the above commands while being logged on as the standard user. It looks like you can do the runos command for the current user, so you might not even need to use another account. Hopefully above procedure contains enough clues so that someone can figure out what is happening and come up with a real solution.
For me it worked by logging into my Microsoft account on the target machine with the password, not PIN, of the Microsoft account once. After that, I can RDP into the machine by using the credentials of the Microsoft account without errors.
I think, at least in my case, the problem was a lack of synchronization between the password on the machine and the password of the Microsoft account. The way I think I resolved this was as follows. Change my Microsoft account password through the Win10 interface, under the user's control panel. Log out. Log in using the password, not using a PIN or face unlock. Step 3 seemed to be key. This resolved password problems both with Remote Desktop and with the task scheduler.
I fjor vant oss opp på det der handel, blant annet kanskje deres oppstreaming.